Hello, good morning. So, we are taking a morning walk. It's like there's a nice park near our house. So, yeah, I'll show you the beauty of this park. It's very beautiful. We have been here like one evening and we thought like we want to come again. So, yeah. Okay, so I woke up in the morning and did my skincare, the same usual things. And I went to the supermarket to grab some fruits and stuff, and also donuts and all, because on every Saturday morning I'm craving for donuts. So yeah, I'm over for it because there's the offer like 2 for 20. So we are just gonna get it every Saturday. And now we had coffee and then all the donuts, and then we just came here waiting for me. I do love this sound, like when you're walking on little rocks kind of thing, like that crispy sound you're getting. Just little things that I love in my day. Last time we came here we went from this route, but today we are trying this. It's a different, like this is a not a big one, but still it's a kind of, it's not a big forest, but it's kind of big.
I wanna run away, but no light buy a ticket. I travel miles on a plane.
It's so steep, I can't do it. No, I'm scared. No. No, I'm scared. It's very steep here. No, baby, I can't do it. So we are gonna try this one. Okay, hopefully.
Rebuild my home, 'cause I wanna be alone. Whispers in the trees, blowing past the skyline. There's a word I just like behind the boy. Pull the wool over my eyes in the darkness. I see fine folk in here, they seem quite nice. There won't be bad, turn out the light.
He bought his book, so he's gonna read, and I'm gonna take my journal out and I'm gonna start journaling.
Cause I wanna be alone. Feel the walls come closing in. I feel the sun against my skin.
Apparently this man there are a lot of that cones type of ones. Very pretty. Look at it. What I was saying is, apparently my husband found a better place than but wherever we were sitting. So we packed all of our stuff again and just going there. Let's see if it's a better place than where we were, because I was loving that place. Looks like a good place, yeah. It looks like a better place, I have to agree. Hey, popping in here real quick. So I came here actually because like you can see that teeny tiny human over there. That's my husband. He's reading. I came here because it'll be otherwise like when I'm speaking it'll disturbing him. So I actually like he brought a book and I bought my journal. So I have already finished journaling. I didn't bring a book because like when we're coming here from Sri Lanka, we bought like 6 books, 3 books for him, 3 books for me, and it's just 3 weeks and I have already finished all my 3 books. So I don't have anything to read at the moment. I'm trying to find a library somewhere that's close to me so I can just go borrow some books. So it's not the point that I was gonna talk. I was just gonna talk about journaling. If you have been like following me in my Instagram and all, you might have seen me journaling quite a lot. It's like a big part of my morning routine. So I've been journaling for like 1 year now, and this Sweden I even manifested that. Like, so in manifestation, if you are new to manifestation, it's something like this. Like, so you basically have to believe that, like, just imagine you want something in your life. So what you have to do is you just have to believe that you already have that thing in your life and just write it in the manifestation journal. That's what I'm basically doing. I know there are a lot of manifestation techniques. This is what works for me. So I'm practicing this. So I'm writing like, since I moved to a new country, so I'm writing, I am safe, I am happy, and I am getting I'm being the healthiest and the happiest version of myself. No, we have to write like, I am the happiest and healthiest version. Yeah, something like that. So I'm journaling like that quite a lot. Like every day, I just in the morning, like how busy I am, I try my best to journal something. Just look at this dude. He's having the moment of his life.
Was getting lower yesterday. Max Verstappen wasn't happy with his advisor choice, complaining about visibility. So that would be something. George Russell, who is now on out, Mark just crossed the line, having lost pretty much all of his running in free practice 3 back out there. So Russell needs to go again. So too does Valtteri Bottas.